If we scroll down here, we have $855 in cash ready to withdraw. Click the upper left corner of the screen here, and then click funding, the second selection, and then click withdraw funds, the third one, withdraw funds, and then on which account. In this example, I wanted to withdraw from my TFSA account, and then how much. I have up to $855 ready to transfer to my bank. In this example, I just wanted to withdraw $100. Click continue, click here, continue, then submit withdrawal. And then it says here that in 2 days it will be in my bank, but in some cases it might take like a week. If you change your mind in the first hour or so, you can still cancel the withdrawal. To cancel, click the upper left corner of the screen here, click activity, and then click here the withdrawal, and then click cancel withdrawal. You can still cancel it within like 3 hours or so, but after a day, I think you cannot cancel it, and it will be on your bank in 2 to 5 business days.